Terpenes are the natural compounds responsible for the aroma of cannabis flower. They create the citrus, fruity, earthy, pine-like, and floral scents found in different strains. But terpenes may do more than just affect smell. Many researchers and cannabis enthusiasts believe terpenes can influence the overall cannabis experience. This idea is known as the entourage effect. The entourage effect suggests that cannabinoids like THC and CBD may interact with terpenes, rather than working independently. This helps explain why two cannabis flowers with similar cannabinoid levels can still feel different in overall experience and aroma. Terpenes are produced in the resin glands of cannabis plants and play a key role in defining each strain's unique profile. However, terpene levels can decrease during drying, curing, and storage. To address this, some growers use terpene spray to enhance or restore aroma. These sprays use botanical terpenes extracted from plants like citrus peels and herbs. When applied as a fine mist, they evenly coat the surface of cannabis buds. For best results, even distribution is important. Specialized spray systems create a consistent, controlled mist for balanced coverage. In the end, terpenes are essential to the identity of cannabis flower, shaping its aroma and potentially contributing to the overall experience. Learn more on the Terps USA blog, https://terpsusa.com. Blogs. Terpene spray information. Do terpenes affect the cannabis experience? Explore Terps USA, https://terpsusa.com/